Hi everyone! So here's my stuff from BeeBeeCraft. I thought we would just kind of do a little craft with me, play around with everything. So I get a lot of questions on, do the beads fit on pokey tools or beadable pins? So I wanted to show you that they do fit on beadable pins. So from this pack right here, these are this orange one right here. These smaller ones right here is this orange one, and then the skulls did fit on the pin, and then these iridescent ones right here did fit on the pin as well. So I wanted to show you guys that. Now, these little glass ghosts that I got from them did not fit on to the pin, but out of the whole pack of, I think it's 10, 3 did fit on my pokey tool right here. So I haven't glued them down. I just wanted to show you guys that. And then everything else did fit on here. So here's those iridescent beads. Like I said, I've got 3 ghosties to fit. These with the little like polka dots all fit. And then all of the ones from this little pack fit as well. So they do fit. I just need to glue these down and kind of rearrange them. So there's that. I haven't done anything with the witch's hat yet or with these. These look like Jack Skellington's bow tie to me. So I still want to do like a Jack memory decks or a Halloween card. So I'm going to do that in another video. I did wire wrap some of these just because I wanted to see how they were looking like. So there's one right there. Then I did the green and I added some bead caps. And then these are those iridescent beads that I recently got from them. And then this too, these are the iridescent beads with the blue, but I used some rhinestone spacers. Well, on this one I used some bead caps. So there's those. And then let's see. Oh, see, I was going to work on another pin, but I just didn't finish working with that. So there's all of those. I have a tutorial on how to wire wrap. I have a playlist titled tutorial and I have a playlist titled BeeBeeCraft. So you'll be able to find everything in both of those playlists. So there's that stuff there. I'm going to be doing more stuff. I wanted to do a tassel. So I'm going to try to create my own little tassel using my embroidery floss. So I was just pulling pieces. Like I got the skulls, I got the iridescent beads. I have a little spider charm that I want to dangle off. So I'm going to be working on that and seeing how that works out. Let's see. Oh, okay. So they sent this whole bag of little bat wings. I love these things so much. They're so cool. So I pulled out some of my paper dolls that I'm going to go ahead and, this one came stained with pink, so I'm gonna put that one off to the side. So I just want to show you how easy it is. We're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna take our hot glue, we're gonna add some glue right here to the edge, and then we are just gonna go ahead and place that off of the back of our paper doll right there. Then we're going to do the same thing with this wing. Just add some glue and place that on the back. So I do it with the doll facing forward so I can kind of see the position of the wings and see if it's in the spot where I want it to be. And then I just kind of like smush it all down and make sure that it's really attached. I think that would be really cool. It should be really cool on a card. So let's put that there. Then I did pull out this little girl too. I thought she might be looking really nice with some wings. See, I don't like it too far up in the neck. It definitely needs to be more like at the shoulder. So we're going to just do the same thing. Add some glue right here. You don't even have to add these to paper dolls. Like if you have like a skull die cut, you could go ahead and add the wings to that. They look like bat wings to me. So anything that you want or could think of, you could even, ooh, like die cut the word Happy Halloween and then add these to the end of the die cut. So it doesn't even have to be attached to a person. That would be really cool. I think I'm going to do that next. I think that'd be really, really nice. So I need to go in my stash and pull out a Happy Halloween die cut and then add these wings. And then they're like puffy. They're really nice. So there we have my little ladies with their little bat wings. And then you can color these. So I think I might do that also. And then let's see, what else do I have to play with here? Oh, I was going to put together a sequence because I am in a Halloween swap, and one of the requirements is a sequence mix. So let's take advantage that we have this wonderful Halloween. So we'll throw some of that in there. So this mix has little black witches, we have purple stars, we have orange pumpkins, you can see right there, we have an orange cat, and I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So the jack-o'-lantern, the witch, and the orange cat, and the little purple stars. So we have our little base here. Then I'm going to go ahead and throw in some glitter sequins. Like that. These I got on clearance a couple years ago. But they still sell them in store right now in case you want to go pick them up. So put that one. Then we're going to add some orange sequence in there as well. I like how this sequence is darker than the orange that came in the pack. So that we could kind of, you know, look a little bit different. I'm going to put that there. And then I did pull out some diamond dots. I do these a lot, so I end up with a lot of extras. So I'm just going to throw in a whole pack of black, a whole pack of orange, and honestly I could have thrown in some purple since we have the purple stars in there as well, but I didn't pull any purple out, so let's just do those. And then I'll just use my finger. Let's mix that up and see what that looks like there. I feel like it needs just a little bit more orange, maybe. So there's a lot of like dark going on in there. Maybe not. Maybe it's fine. But we'll just do a smidge. There we go. That should be good enough. So now I have my little sequence mix all ready to go for my swap. Oh yeah, I like that. I like the more colorful, like, with the more orange than black in there. And that little bit of, like, purple just really, like, pops in there. There's not a whole lot going on, but it's just enough that it looks really, really nice. So now I have to package that in something else. And that's pretty much it that I have to share with you guys for right now. So when I come back, I'll do a couple more project shares. Like, I'll finish my pokey tool, I'll finish off the pin, I'll do a really quick wire wrapping on how to put these together, and then I'll show you guys my little tassel. Maybe I'll make a card and then I'll come back and show you guys a completed card. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and play around and see what else I come up with, but I just wanted to do a quick little share with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, you know what, I might add some of this in there, maybe some like little tube confetti. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye guys.